Hey guys, this is my favorite mouse, and I'm going to be telling you all about it. So, this is an optical gaming mouse, and it's from FC. It's also a wireless mouse, so you don't need to worry about it getting tangled up in wires. It has a battery, but the battery is rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about that either. And there's the charging port right in the middle. It changes color, which is, I personally think is really cool. This is the left click, and this is the right click. This is the scroll, and this is to speed up the mouse. Personally, I really recommend this mouse. You can buy it on Amazon. Bye guys, please like and subscribe.